Hello and welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we want to add our total to our UI here. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just get on and do it. So this is going to be alright. This is the top part. This is the divider. Mm, you know, I'm actually gonna add a divider again here. Alright. So with this box layout, let's divide it into two, and then let's put that down there. Alright, so I basically want to add a divider between the scroll view and the total. So for our lovely total, let's do a size hint y of none. Let's do a height of, for our total, we're going to basically have two simple widgets, a box layout with two labels for the total and the total string and the actual total, and then lastly for our button. So I'm gonna do 54 54. All right. So the height is just gonna be 54 times 2, right? And then yep, that's it. Let's do box layout. Ooh, orientation, and this is vertical. And spacing, do we need spacing? I don't know. Let's do spacing of 8. Alright, now let's add a box layout for our text fields. Then let's add our rounded button for our print receipt. So the text is gonna be print receipt. Alright, let's capitalize that. And then the FN is gonna be app.fonts.heading, and then fs app.fonts.size. Let's start with h2. Alright, the color is app. We want it to be white, so let's do colors. Color secondary bg, color primary bg. Actually, you know what? I don't want this text to ever change, even if we change our theme, right? So I'm just gonna do ff. Alright, and that pretty much does it. So let's do radius, and this is gonna be self.height times 0.15 to round it up a bit. And then finally, what do we have? The color for the background color. This is gonna be app.color primary. Alright, just like that. And with that, I think we have our button done. If we don't, we can always come back to it. So now for our text, let's do spacing of 12 actually. And this one, we're just gonna do text. Ooh, what is this? Text, and the text for this text is total. Alright, let's just copy these because it's basically the same thing, right? And then let's do color. This is gonna be app.color primary text. And with that, ladies and gents, let's do edge align, and let's do left, and then just copy this to there, and this edge align is actually just gonna be to the right. Alright, let's run this. Let's see what we have. And there you have it. Lovely things. We just need some padding. We definitely need that padding. Alright, let's fix that real quick. So spacing is dp. Ooh, we actually want padding, not spacing. So padding, we only want it left and right. So dp left and right, let's do 12. Let's do 0 top and bottom. And I'm actually just gonna do 0.1 with you. Alright, let's do this. Let's go to the root. You are the root. Let's add bottom padding to this one. So just gonna do 0, 0, 0, 0. So left, top, right, bottom. Let's do 12. Actually, let's just do 16. Now let's run this and marvel at this beauty. Alright, there we go. Print receipt. I think it's a bit too big. I'm gonna reduce this size a bit. Alright, so before I actually just bother with that, I'm gonna actually do numeric property. We have that. I'm gonna do current total, and this is gonna be a numeric property, and by default it's just gonna be 0, like that. Alright, I actually want to use this right here. Alright, so this is gonna be the $sign, and then we are gonna add the current total there. So root dot current total. Alright, now let's reduce you to H3. Run this, and I'm actually going to round this to 2 decimal places. Alright, let's run this. Alright, there we go. Looks like we are done. Alright, so we have our total and our current total for the stuff we have, and then our print receipt button. Alright, this is where we're gonna stop for this one. In the next one, we are going to add the lovely scroll view for our current items. Alright, so if you have any questions regarding this part of the tutorial, leave them in the comment section. Otherwise, thank you for supporting this channel, ladies and gents. It means a lot. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. I mean, it just takes 1 second. Alright, anyway, thank you. Cheers.